Hey guys, Kentro Majama, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Harshdani, hashtag the big bad guy who creates some interesting content on this channel. So subscribe down below. And like I'm vlogging in Canada after so long. And yeah, I started my vlog at the subway station. So this vlog is about a tour from my college. We are going to the Blue Mountain. I don't know what's that. Like I know what's that, but I don't know what are the activities there and stuff. This is my first time, so I thought to take you guys with me. So let's go. Waiting for the subway, and here it is. You guys can hear the voice, but come on! Finally reached at my college and meet her. Now so I never introduced you on my vlog.
No,
So
never.
she's my new friend in Canada.
Hi
Now
guys.
and you know what? I came last night at 1 from the work, and then I didn't sleep.
Oh my god.
So that I could come here.
Yeah.
if
Oh, else I would have killed you.
if I would be sleeping, I wouldn't be here.
Of course.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm very excited, and you?
Duh. Look at my makeup. But it's good.
Yeah, it's good. Looking good.
Better
We
than
both
hers.
looking
Better than her makeup and her too.
It's
Duh.
a very simple makeup. I didn't get time to do the makeup.
We are so free. In the bus.
The bus.
Harsh,
What? You don't even know.
do you want your YouTube video to go viral?
Why?
Now it will, because it has been.
Look at this dumbass. So finally we reached to Blue Mountain, and look at this lady and this lady. Hi. Sakshi, by the way.
Hi. Make
And-
me famous.
Yes, you are famous now. And this is the Blue Mountain, me with the Blue Mountain view. So I've just changed my goggles and bought this Americano for me. And now heading to snow tipping. We all are going there, and I hope the experience is good. Look at my hair, they are so messy.
Yeah.
I don't know where to go. As usual. Where to go? But look at her, she's playing my goggles. Oh my god, attitude. Ooh. Oh my god. We never ever getting back together.
Harsh, Mr. Piyush Chaudhary just asked, what is this?
Taylor Swift never getting back.
कभी नहीं सुना मैंने.
वो स्नो है ना, उसमें मुंह डाल के उल्टा लटक जा.
I don't know what to laugh at more.
Are we doing it? Look at this. So pretty. This is called Reach Runner, and I'm just going up right now, and then I will go down. And look at this. This is so pretty, scenic view, and I'm looking good. Oh my god, I'm looking excited. People are doing skiing. I'm scared AF, but we'll do it. And it is so cold. It is so cold. I can't even speak properly. It is so cold. But yay! You loved it?
Yeah, I love it. It was so fun.
How are you feeling?
It's weird. Like, oh my god, I don't know.
We did it! We did it! I'm back at home. Like, I didn't record anything. It's just that I wasn't feeling good. So Blue Mountain is nothing. It's just a mountain named Blue. For skiing you need to have the proper clothes and stuff, which were so expensive, so I didn't do that. But Regional was good. Otherwise you might skip it. If you're bored from your 9 to 5 job, then go for it. Otherwise don't waste your time and money. And I was having bad stomach ache, so I didn't vlog, but I don't know, this will be the shortest vlog on my channel. So like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that icon so whenever I upload a new video you will get a notification. Till then, love me, be kind to yourself, be kind to people, and love yourself. Be Pucchis. Bye. Finally, I will just remove this makeup. It's more than 12 hours now, but it's looking good. My makeup skills are improving. Okay, bye.